Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Sendil Murugan, Associate Professor and Head Department of Information Technology, Faculty Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about skip list. It is one of the variety of lingual list. So already in previous video lectures, we have discussed about singly lingual list, doubly lingual list, circular lingual list with the singly circular lingual list, doubly circular lingual list, like all the operations of lingual list and XR lingual list we have discussed. So particularly in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about skip list. So this is week 10 lecture 2 classroom discussion topic 29 skip list. So before going to discuss about this skip list, we must be discuss about course or lecture outcome of the particular lecture. After completion of this lecture, students will be able to develop a C program to create skip list and identify the merits and demerits while using it. The skip list is a probabilistic data structure. The skip list is used to store a sorted list of elements or data with a lingual list. It allows the process of the elements or data to view efficiently. So what is the skip list? The skip list is used to store the sorted list of elements or data with a lingual list. Okay. It allows the process of elements or data to view efficiently. So for efficient purpose, we are using the skip list. While traversing or while searching, if you want to do any operation in this list, we have to do efficiently. That means timing wise it is efficient. It will take less time to do these operations. And memory space may take some extra space, but it will store a key values. Based on the key values, we will perform the operations. In one single step, it skips several elements of the entire list, which is why it is known as a skip list. Okay. So if we see the diagrammatic representation, easily we can understand what is skip list. So skip list is an extended version of the lingual list. It allows the user to search, remove, and insert the element very quickly. It consists of base list that includes a set of elements which maintain the link hierarchy of the subsequent elements. So see this diagram. This is skip list structure. So it is built in two layers. First one is lower layers and top layers. What is lower layer? Lower layer, that is lowest layer of the skip list, is a common sorted linked list. So in this, all the elements are there. So how the linked list are there, same way it is represented. And the top layer of the skip list are like on express line. So express line where the elements are skipped. So see this diagram, this the bottom line, and that is lowest layer of this list is normal line. This is how all the elements in the linked list. But we see the express line. In this express line, it skip 10. After 10, directly it comes to 40. Okay, so in between 16, 20, 31, these three nodes are skipped. So whenever we want to search, if example 47 we want to search, what happens? Directly it will check the next node is 40. Then it will comes to 40. Then from the 40 it will do the operation. For example, you want to do 60. So what happens? It will comes to 40 and it will check the next node. It is 60. So directly it will come here. It will skip all the elements. The 60 will check it. It will be there. So like that, if you want to insert the number 63, where you will insert after 62. So how it will identify? So it will use the express line first. So based on the key value, if key value is 63 means it will compare these values are there If it will check 60, 60 is lesser than that. If it will check 70, it is greater value. So it will stop 60. From the 60, it will start from there. Okay. So 62, next 60, next is 62. After that, 63 will be inserted. How the skip list is working? Okay. So let's see that. Take that node already whatever I discussed in the diagrammatic representation, same thing, the theory way we are explaining here. Okay. So the lower layer is the common line that links all the nodes, and the top layer is the express line that links only the main nodes, as you can see in the diagram. Okay, so if we want to do and then we want to find the 47 means the skip list, it will check the express line. The 40 is there, it will reach the 40 till 40, all the elements will be skipped, then it will start search the element from 40 onwards. So for example, next 60 is there means it will go to 60, then from that 60 it will do that. So what are the operations are there in the skip list? So there is, we can perform three operations. Insert operation, that means add a new node in the particular location in a specific situation. And delete operation, we can delete the node in a specific situation. Search operation, we can search the element which is available in the list or not. So now we will take one example how to create the skip list. So as per examples, we have to use 6 with level 1, 29 with level 1, 22 with level 4, 9 with level 3, 17 with level 1, 4 with level 2. So how we can create first 6 with level 1? Okay, so the level 1 is indexed with 0. So the node is created with 6, it's level 1 it is created. Okay, so next 29 with level 1. So again 29 will add with the level 1 no, so directly it will be connected after 6, 29. So the next element is 22. So 22 is greater than 6, less than 29. So where we have to insert? We have to insert in between 6 and 29. But what is the level? So level is 4. So from the level 4, we can start with 22. So see here, each level it is connected with that. So then up to level 4, it is connected with 22. So next, insert 9. Where we will insert the 9? So again, this previous diagram, 6, 22, 29 is there. So now we can insert 9. That means after 6, before 22, we can insert. So what is the level? Level 3. So up to level 3, it will connect level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. So why we are connecting these many as per key values we can connect with the node means, so then only we can skip that intermediate node, directly we can proceed with the key values. Okay, so example, if you want to do 22 means directly you can start from 22 from the direct node, from the key value you can connect a direct node 22. So same like that. Next, if you want to insert 70, where you will insert from this diagram? After 9, before 22 with level 1. So again, only one level we can insert. So directly you can insert here. It will not affect the above 3 lines. Okay. So after creating this, that last line insert 4 with level 2. Okay. So here, this level 2 is there. Here, level 1, 6 is there. So here, one link will be there. Okay. So that link is missed. Here, so example, we will create this link. Okay, this is level 1 communications. It is there. So then it is inserted with level 2 means up to 2 it is connected. Where the node is connected 4. So for level 1, level 2 it is connected. Okay. So this is a final skip list we generated. Okay. So if now you want to do that, if the example 9 you want to do, you want to search the element 9 is there or not. So in the key elements you have to check. there is 9 is there means directly you can go to 9. Then the 9 will be there, then you can find easily. So what is the advantage of skip list? If you want to insert a new node in the skip list, then it will insert the node very fast because there is no rotation in the skip list. No need to shift the elements from here to there or there to here like that. So directly you know where you will insert the node. Okay, so you will check lesser value and greater value. In between you can insert and what level of link you can create, that is also will get it. It is very simple to find a node in the list because it stores the node in sorted form. So the skip list maximum insert operation in the particular order only. So it is always maintained the sorted form. Okay. So searching also very easy. The skip list algorithm can be modified very easily in more specific structure such as indexable skip list, trees, or priority queues. So based on that, it will be implemented. The skip list is robust and reliable list. So we can modify. It is reliable. Whenever we want to remove, we can remove. Whenever we want to insert, we can insert. So do the search operation also efficiently. The next disadvantage of skip list. What is the disadvantage of skip list? It requires more memory than the balanced tree. Okay, so it's required more memory, and reverse searching is not allowed. So why? Because there is only forward direction. The link or key will be connected to forward direction only. The skip list searches the node much slower than the linked list. Okay, much slower than the linked list. The application of the skip list, where we are using this skip list. It is used in distributed application and it represents the pointer and system in the distributed applications. So wherever we are using distributed manner also indexed method. So based on the index key values, we are searching the page or elements. There we are using the skip list. It is used to implement a dynamic elastic concurrent queue with low lock contention. It is also used with the QMap template classes. The indexing of the skip list is used to running median problems easily. The skip list is used for the delta encoding position in the Lucene search. So these are the applications of skip list. So now see this question is very simple to find a node in the list because it stores the node in sorted form. So how it is identify the node easily? So already it is a sorted form, then we can identify very easily. So now we will discuss about lecture level problems. So we know what is skip list, how to do insert and delete operations. So based on that, we can write the program for skip list with the 6 nodes and perform insert and delete operation. Each operation, after each operation, you can print it, the list. So now we are in the end of this video lecture. Having completed the discussion on skip list, now students should be able to develop a C program to create linked list and identify the merits and demerits of the list. So thank you very much for listening this video. If further doubts, we can refer Rima Tareja textbook and Samanda textbook. Thank you all.